Hi, my name is David Hanscom. I'm a retired orthopedic spine surgeon, and I currently live in Oakland, California, but I practiced at Swedish for over 30 years. And I'm here today at the Washington State Orthopedic Association to give a talk on repetitive unpleasant thought patterns. So I want to let you know what else is happening here at SSF. Tuesday, the University of Rochester will host our interesting spine case discussion session. Upper cervical spine fractures with symptomatic spinal cord compression will be explored in great detail. And please join us Wednesday evening when your hosts, Dr. Jack Ziegler and Dr. Jens Chapman, will sit down with Drs. Barth Green and Frank Eisman for an uncensored discussion of all things spine and beyond at our Evening with a Spine Surgeon series, or surgeons in this case. You can register for any of these courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.